Alright, we're on the back one. The front one's already done and everything and put back together. Now we're going on the second one, which is the back one. We're going to have to undo it from right there and right here. I'll put the impact right there and then go the other way right there. And we'll be right back. Alright, for the passenger side, we are going to take the top two things up from right there, which is located inside the trunk. And then we are going to also take off this bolt and this bolt to release the back shock coil and struts. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, now that you took out those two bolts and then the top two up there, which is right here, that one and that one, all you have to do is pull this back in the trunk on each side. To do it, I already did that side. This is the last one to do. Now what you want to do is go and press down on this and pull the shock out. Okay, now that we have the strut and shock assembly out, I put the spring compressors on, and now we are going to take this to hold that still, and then take this and break this to take it off. But before we do this with this, which is a 14 millimeter, same with the bottom two bolts of the strut assembly, when you take it off the car, it's a 14 millimeter also. Broke it. So now we need to take this to keep the metal in. We'll take a 14 millimeter wrench. And loosen it. Which way I'm supposed to go. That and that off. Put that to the side. Pry it off here. Pull it off. Excuse me, out of the way. Pull it off. Put that off. Take this off. You take this little washer off, because you're going to put all that back on there. But, like this. Alright, now that we got the spring off the shock, we're going to put on these two little rings. I'm going to put the first one on, the smaller one on first. Alright, now that I have the two O-rings on, I'm going to put this, which is already preset to 70, which earlier in the video I told you I was putting the front at like 45. I need to adjust that also. It was not to my standards. But we're going to put this all the way down like that. Because we basically have it on the lowest setting here. Then in these little holes right here, they gave us a bag full of these little tiny pieces and an Allen wrench to keep that from moving up and down the shaft. It holds it in place and secures it. Oh boy. I'm going to take it, put these little things in. Then you're going to take your little ring, slide it on. Then your shock assembly, slide it on. Your coil. You're going to take this little washer, slide it on. This top hat. You're going to put the washer on it. You're going to put the nut back on the top. Then we're going to put it back in the car. Alright, and this is the final product. It still needs to settle a little bit. Took it for a ride just then. But, oh no, that's what it looks like. Not too bad, but that's how you lower your Honda Civic, 92 through 95.